Today's defense news, the highlights. Defense Minister visits DRDO and interacts with chairman, senior scientists and officials. Aerolloy Technologies achieves rare titanium manufacturing milestone. Indian shipyards accelerate warship production with advanced modular construction aims to rival Asian shipbuilding giants. India unlikely to join FCAS and GCAP sixth generation fighter jet programs seeks to focus on indigenous AMCA development. ADE and advances UAV technology with due regard radar. Reliance Naval and Engineering renamed as Swan Defense and Heavy Industries. An RFP issued for multi-spectral camouflage net for desert and semi-desert terrain. The global highlights: U.S. Navy awards $3.5 billion contract for E-130J TACAMO next-generation communication aircraft. Serbia acquires Elbit Systems PULS artillery rocket systems amid tensions with Croatia. Israel creates hub to hasten military AI autonomy research. Ireland and Airbus agree to $95 million H-145M helicopter deal. Japan-US discuss feasibility of co-producing AIM-120 missiles. The news in detail. The key highlights of the visit by the Defense Minister to DRDO headquarters on 2nd Jan 25 to celebrate the 67th Foundation Day include recognition of achievements, focus on project completion. The Defense Minister set an ambitious target for DRDO, calling for each laboratory to identify 2 to 3 critical projects to be completed by 2025. He aimed for a total of 100 projects to be finalized by the next Foundation Day, reflecting a proactive approach to modern warfare challenges. Call for innovation and collaboration. DRDO to stay aligned with the rapidly evolving technological landscape. Technological advancement vision. DRDO to act as a catalyst for technological advancement not only in defense but also in civil applications. The Defense Minister stressed the need for dual-use technologies that could benefit various industries, promoting a comprehensive technological revolution in India. Collaboration with industry and startups. DRDO to explore partnerships with startups to foster innovation and suggested that each lab organize open days monthly to facilitate interaction with industry representatives. Achievements in technology transfer. The transfer of nearly 2,000 technologies to Indian industries and numerous licensing agreements was signed in 2024. Over 18,000 tests have been conducted to support private sector development. Vision to 2025. Declaring 2025 as the year of reforms, the minister outlined a vision for transforming India's military into a technologically advanced force. He called upon DRDO to develop niche technologies that align with contemporary defense needs and global standards. Aerolloy Technologies, a subsidiary of PTC Industries, has achieved a significant milestone by becoming the first Indian private company to commission a vacuum arc remelting furnace for the production of aerospace-grade titanium ingots. This advanced facility located in Lucknow is capable of producing titanium alloy ingots with a diameter of about 1000 mm and weights reaching up to 10 mt. It operates under vacuum conditions to eliminate gaseous impurities, ensuring high-quality, dense ingots suitable for critical applications. The furnace has an annual melting capacity of 1,500 metric tons, adhering to double melt quality standards. This positions Aerolloy among a select few global manufacturers with such capabilities. The milestone places India among an elite group of nations including the United States, Russia, China, France and the United Kingdom capable of producing high-grade titanium alloys for aerospace applications. The VAR facility's advanced technology ensures operation under vacuum conditions, delivering superior metallurgical structures and uniform alloy compositions critical for components like jet engines and airframes. The company is expanding its aerospace capabilities through a new manufacturing facility in the Uttar Pradesh Defense Industrial Corridor. This facility will include a fully integrated titanium and superalloy mill for producing aerospace grade ingots, billets, bars, plates, and sheets. Jim Collins, Chief Technology Officer of PTC Industries, highlighted that the facility aligns with global standards for aerospace grade titanium alloy production. Chairman Mr. Sachin Agarwal emphasized the strategic significance of this development, stating it eliminates India's dependence on imports for these critical materials. Indian shipyards are adopting cutting-edge construction techniques to boost their warship production capabilities and compete with leading Asian shipbuilding giants. A key strategy in this endeavor is the implementation of advanced modular construction, which has already demonstrated significant improvements in streamlining shipbuilding processes. This method involves constructing ships in large prefabricated blocks, each weighing approximately 250 tons. These blocks, encompassing sections like the hull, superstructure, and internal systems, are meticulously engineered to include all necessary cabling and piping. This ensures that when assembled, the components align perfectly for welding and final integration, reducing construction time and enhancing the quality and precision of the build. The construction of the Nilgiri class warships exemplifies the success of this approach. These advanced frigates, enhanced versions of the earlier Shivalik class, are among the most sophisticated naval vessels India has produced. By adopting modular construction, the time required from keel laying to commissioning has been reduced dramatically. The Aeronautical Development Establishment ADE is in making strides with their due regard radar technology. This radar system is designed to enhance the safety and operational capabilities of unmanned aerial vehicles by enabling them to detect, track, and avoid other aircraft autonomously. It's a significant step towards ensuring UAVs can operate safely in shared airspace. The due regard radar is named after the International Civil Aviation Organization mandate for military aircraft to be flown with due regard for the safety of civil aircraft. This technology could set a new standard for UAV operations globally and showcase India's capabilities in aerospace research and development. Swan Defence and Heavy Industries is the new name for the company formerly known as Reliance Naval and Engineering Limited. This change took effect on 2nd of January. Swan Energy Limited acquired RNEL last year with the goal of becoming a leading private player in the manufacturing of naval defense and oil and gas vessels. The company also aims to establish itself as a major player in green building, ship repairing, and as a key manufacturing hub in the Asia Pacific region. The acquisition was made possible through a special purpose vehicle created in partnership with businessman Nikhil Merchant, his family, and Hazel Mercantile Limited. Swan Energy owns a 74% stake in the special purpose vehicle, with the remaining share held by Hazel Mercantile. An RFP has been issued to procure 10,276 multispectral camouflage net for desert and semi-desert terrain under the Buy Indian IDDM category. MSCN for desert and semi-desert terrain is a camouflage net which blends with the environment in different types of terrain while suppressing signatures in the visual, IR, TIR and radar ranges of the EM spectrum that can be picked up by the enemy surveillance device. MSCN for desert and semi-desert terrain will provide camouflage to the designated critical equipments such as tanks, radars in the various ranges of the EM spectrum when located within the range of the enemy surveillance devices. The last date of this RFP is 27th of March 25. Now some global news. The Israeli government has established a new office at the Ministry of Defense, tasked with overseeing technology development in the fields of artificial intelligence and autonomy, according to a government announcement. Named the AI and Autonomy Administration, the outfit will operate under the auspices of the Directorate of Defense Research and Development, a key player in the country's military technology ecosystem. The goal is to transform the combat capabilities of all the military branches in order to maintain the Israel Defense Forces operational edge in the Middle East. The office is expected to bring together experts from IDF technological units, academia, defense industries, and startups to achieve unprecedented operational and technological breakthroughs. The Irish Department of Defence has signed a contract with Airbus UK for the acquisition of four H-145M light utility helicopters in a deal valued at $94.6 million. The new multi-role rotorcraft, set to replace two aging EC-135 aircrafts, will be used for intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, light attack operations, police air support and training. The H-145M is typically outfitted with the Airbus H-Force weapons management systems, which covers a range of ballistic and guided missile options, including machine gun of 12.7 mm, cannon 20 mm, rocket 70 mm, as well as air-to-air, air-to-ground, and laser-guided rocket munitions. Tokyo and Washington are working to launch a study to assess the feasibility of co-producing AIM-120 Advanced Medium Range Air-to-Air Missiles (AMRAAM) within Japan. Discussions on opening a production line for the missiles in Japan have been ongoing since mid-2024 due to an increase in demands for the missile in both Japan and the United States. The feasibility study will consider various aspects of production. This includes necessary cost, preparation time, contents of possible production activity, and challenges that could arise when production is initiated. Co-production of the AIM-120 missile was the subject of discussion at the third Defense Industrial Cooperation, Acquisition and Sustainment Forum held on 11th of December 24. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.